Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your Apex Legends connection to server timed out of the leaf code or wheel, basically unable to connect to Apex Legends. So the easiest and the first thing that you want to do is to open up Apex Legends, and then you simply want to try other data centers. So inside Apex Legends, press tab, and here you have the ability to choose between multiple data centers like other Southeast Asia servers. We have some central servers right here and others. So just try one to see if that works. Wait for around basically 1 to 2 minutes in order for this to apply, and then you want to head over to the actual game right here. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, we want to verify and repair the game files right here. So to do that, head over to your Steam. So it's going to be this one. Once inside, navigate through Library, right-click on Apex Legends, Properties, Installed Files, and we have the Verify Integrity of Game Files. Basically, this will fix minor issues, bugs, and glitches within the game files itself, and it will automatically repair itself if it has detected one. Now, we can also try to change our DNS server. So if you're using something like your console, your computer, you could navigate through your DNS setting and basically change it to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. That is the most common DNS used for gamings. Basically, it's the fastest one out there. And you also want to go ahead and look and wait for EA server hotfixes. So in some other cases, EA might have some issues regarding their servers. So you want to go ahead and wait for a fix in order for the problem to disappear. So hopefully after doing all of these fixes, you have fixed the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.